11-45 State versus Denise Grantham, residential burglary and forgery. Okay, this is just, she had appeared before Judge Webb, it looks like, on April 3rd and entered a plea of not guilty. She'd appeared with Mr. Cooper, and so she's just appearing here today to get on our docket. We'll be issuing a scheduling orders or anything else we need to do today.
Judge, if you could bring her back sooner rather than later. She is on a parole violation at this point, so we'd like to resolve it as soon as we can.
Okay, I'm here on May 8th.
That'll be fine.
13-331 State versus Michael Ashworth. It's a hot check case. Yes. So is there anything to be done today?
I talked with Mr. Nucio earlier. He wanted to set a $500 cash bond.
Okay. Is that's agreeable to the state?
Yes.
500 cash.
Yes. I think the primary allegations are not non-payment, and this is a hot check case. We're trying to get the victims taken care of, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll leave the May appearance. 500 cash bond. State versus Dalton Atkinson, charged with possessing methamphetamine. That's case 12-235. He'd entered a plea of not true before Judge Webb, it appears, no, before me rather. It was set for a revocation hearing today.
Your Honor, if I could get Mr. Nucio to get his input, I think we've got this one resolved.
Certainly.
Your Honor, we've reached a resolution on this matter. We're going to change our plea to true to the allegations with the recommendation that he will serve 120 days on the CCC department. He'll be given credit for any fines, fees he's paid up to this date. His probation is going to be extended to...
It'd be 5 years, Your Honor. It's presently 3 years.
5 years from this day or the original day?
The original day.
Mr. Atkinson, there was a petition filed to revoke your probationary period where it's alleged that you failed to comply with probation. You have a right to a hearing to determine whether that's in fact true. However, you can plead true to some or all of these allegations, and if the court determined that your probation should be revoked, it would resentence you. Do you desire a hearing, or you want to enter a plea of true?
Based on what
Yes, sir.
discussed.
It's true.
Okay. Did you understand the agreement that was made here in court?
That we're going to extend your probation, and you'll do 120 days in the CCC department, which is our old RPM.
Instead of with time accredited, it said just flat 120.
You'll get credit for the time that you
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay. Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And did you fail to report to your probation officer as ordered?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you didn't pay your court-ordered fines and supervision fees as ordered?
No, sir. I paid off my district rather than circuit.
Okay. And did you maintain gainful employment?
Yes, sir.
You did do that?
I still have obtained employment.
Okay, so you just failed to report as
Yes, sir.
primarily. At this time, sir, I'm going to revoke your find that you violated the terms and conditions of your probationary period and revoke your probation. For the crime of possession of methamphetamine, you'll be sentenced to 5 years probation, a condition of which is you do 120 days in the Community Correction Center. Credit for time served. That 5-year period began running on March 14, 2013. We're extending your probation here.
Yes, sir.
You're again ordered to pay $200 in cost, $1,000 fine, $200 in public defender fees, a DNA fee of $250, a $20 booking fee. You'll get credit for any sums you paid, if any. Pay the sums you owe at the rate at $100 per month, beginning within 60 days after your release from incarceration, and you make your payments to the Sheriff's Department here in Baxter County.
Yes, sir.
Anything further?
There you go.
Okay. You may be seated. Thank you so much.